doing today? Today I'm doing a glossy box unboxing. This company is pretty much discontinued other than the outlet, which is where I got this from. There's no ads, that's odd. It says Little Wonders Inside. And glossy box. It says, scan me, read this month's glossy magazine with all your latest tips and trends. Glossy box wishful moments. Hey Glossy, we're so excited to share this month's box with you. As always, each month features 5 beauty products worth over $75. And code Hey Glossy will get your followers a surprise at checkout. And that's what that looks like. So the first item is this KP Smoothing Body Lotion. That's a really good item. It doesn't have a scent, but lotion's always a good thing to get. Next thing is this Volume Dry Shampoo from Kenra. It's an oil absorbing shampoo. The next item is this Lip Serum Hemp and Peppermint. That's what that looks like. Next item is this Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. Red seaweed fruit enzymes. That's what it looks like. And then the last item is this Rose Sheet Mask served chilled. Strawberry extract with resveratrol. Directions: unfold and apply to clean, dry skin. Leave on for 10 minutes or longer if desired. No need to rinse. The serum will fully absorb. This item I will end up giving away in a future video, so if you're not subscribed, you want to hit the subscribe button and look forward to that video. And my favorite item would be this lotion. Lotion's always a good item to receive. You want to leave me a comment in the comment section what your favorite item was out of the box that I just got. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe with the bell on. Thank you.